A very good day to you all. In our previous lesson, we have studied about the wool from sheep and wool from other animals like camel, rabbits, and goats. So, in today's lesson, we will study about the different processes involved in wool production. Now, as you can see here in this slide, the wool is obtained mainly from animals like sheep, yak, goat. And in this picture you can see alpaca, yak, camel, goat, sheep. There are various animals from where we can get the wool. So first we are going to study the processes involved in wool production, and the first process is shearing. Shearing is what? The process of removal of the woolen coat or flesh from the animal is called shearing. As you can see in this picture, how the woolen coat or the flesh means what? The outgrowth hair over the skin of the sheep is known as fleece. So this flesh or woolen cloth is being removed from the body of the sheep, and this process is known as shearing. So shearing is done by the animal, by the humans, without harming the animal. The human do it using such tools like scissors, hand blades, or electric shears. But while doing the shearing, there is no harming of the animals. Now, shearing is usually done during the hot season, means in the summer season. What is the reason? The reason is that we all know woolen coat or the fleece are the adaptations of the sheep to provide them warmth in such a cold climate. So, during the summer season, the shearing is being done because they are able to have grown their hair by the time winter arrives. Okay, so during the shearing process, even during the process and even during the season, there is no harm is being made to the sheep. Second process involved is the scouring. As you can see, wool taken directly from the sheep is called raw or grease wool. The raw sheared wool is washed with detergent and alkali in tanks to remove grease, dust, and dirt. So we can say in a simple word, the process of removing dust, dirt from the raw or the grease wool is known as scouring. Previously it was done by humans, but nowadays it is done by machine. Now we are moving to the third process in wool production, and that is sorting and grading. Sorting. First we will see what is sorting. After scouring, the damaged or inferior wool is removed. This process is called sorting, means the damaged one or the wool that is not of good quality, that are being removed, and they are removed by a process known as sorting. So what is grading? The process of sorting the wool according to their length, color, and texture of fibers is called grading. Means they have been graded according to their length. The wool or the fibers of the same length, they are graded in one category. The colors are different colors, so the fibers of the same colors are graded in different categories, and same logic is for the texture of the fibers. So that is grading. Clear? So what is sorting? Sorting is nothing but it is a removing of the damaged hair from the raw wool, and grading is the sorting of the wool on the basis of the length, texture and colors. Clear? Okay, so the next process involved is dyeing and drying. Dyeing, as you can see in the picture, dyeing means what? Providing the different colors to substance. So here also the natural color of the fleece is white, brown or black, but we do have the wool in different colors. So how can it be possible? Yes, it can be possible with the process of dyeing, in which the sheared wool is dyed in different colors, and after that they have been dried. In this process, in the process of drying, containers of wool are put through roller to squeeze out as much water as possible. Rollers is one of the machine that is being used to squeeze out the water from there. The fibers for wool so obtained is straightened out, combed and then rolled into a yarn. Now in this picture you can see the whole process of weaving of fleece into yarn. You can see here the sheep are sheared to remove the fleece. The first process shearing, then after the fleece is baled for transport to the mills. Before that the scouring is done. Here fleece is washed to remove dirt. Then after, the combing machine combs the loose wool fiber into a sheet, and then after it is completed into a yarn. The yarn is wound to form balls of the wool. So in this way the whole process of weaving of fleece into one takes place. Thank you.